Introducing Mihogo Mini, the revolutionary electric bike designed to transform your daily life. With its advanced features and sleek design, Mihogo Mini is here to redefine your riding experience. Say goodbye to the hassles of traditional commuting. Mihogo's multi-scenario application makes it a convenient and efficient mode of transportation for various purposes. Mihogo Mini effortlessly caters to the diverse needs, whether you're shopping, commuting, or with your loved ones. Mihogo Mini's compact and foldable design allows for effortless storage and portability. Weighing only 19 kilograms and foldable in just simple 3 steps, you can take it anywhere with ease. Experience the freedom of choice with Mihogo Mini's dual mode options. Switch seamlessly between pedal assist and throttle mode, giving you the flexibility to customize your riding experience. Stay connected and informed with Mihogo Mini's IPS 2.4-inch colored multifunctional intelligent dashboard. It's designed to meet all your diverse needs, providing you with essential ride information at your fingertips. Mihogo Mini's innovative dual-balance high molybdenum carbon steel arch frame design ensures stability and control, offering you a smooth and comfortable ride every time. Powered by a high-performance 350-watt brushless, gearless, silent aluminum alloy motor, Mihogo Mini delivers impressive speed and acceleration, making your ride a thrilling experience. And with range up to 100 kilometers, Mihogo Mini keeps you going for miles on a single charge, eliminating any concerns of running out of power during your daily adventures. Your safety is our top priority. Mihogo Mini is TÜV Rheinland EN 15194 safety certified, ensuring peace of mind as you ride. Rain or shine, Mihogo Mini can handle it all. With its IP65 waterproof rating, you can confidently ride through wet conditions without worrying about damage. Mihogo Mini, the future of electric biking, is here. Join the revolution and experience the thrill, convenience, and freedom that Mihogo offers.